everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys the Walgreens ad preview for Sunday, March 22nd through March 28th. Now, I'm going to tell you guys this, there's not a lot of great deals. There is some food deals or something like that if you guys need to go ahead and get that. But for couponing wise, it's going to be a slow week. I mean, there is some money makers or freebies that you guys can get. And I hate to say this, but I might be doing a video for you guys just because there might be some digitals. Some of the stuff you guys can order online with those digital coupons you might be able to use and get them shipped to you. Right now, Walgreens is offering free shipping for everything. I know they say not to go out, but a lot of you guys, everybody's in different situations, and I want to help as many people as I can. You know, there's people, my neighbor yesterday called me and she's like, hey, I ran out of something, is there a chance you have it? And I did. So, like, you know, I'm trying to avoid, you know, going out, but I want to help you guys because everybody's in a different situation. So, but things could change by Sunday too. I mean, look at how much stuff has changed from Sunday to today's Wednesday. So, just giving you guys a heads up, but I want to help you. I will be doing other things to help you guys, but just, you know, just keep in mind, I'm here for you guys, just like you guys are there for me. So, we got the deals of the week. They got pistachios. I think there's like $1 off digital coupon, I think, or 50-cent off one. So, if you guys want to use that. Now, the Cheerios are $1.99, which is a pretty okay price. There is going to be $1 off a 2 coupon digital, so you guys can go ahead and use that. So, you end up paying $2.98, or comes up to be $1.49. So, that's an item if you guys really need cereal. Great thing to stock up on. Now they have laundry detergent, $2.99. There's going to be $1 off digital coupon, making them $1 for the Downy or the Tide Oxy. It looks like fabric unstoppables and bounce dryer sheets are included for that. Right here they got Discover Your Mystery Deal. It says clip the coupon to your Balance Rewards account through our app or by texting unlock to 41456. So if you guys open your app, I don't know if it's available now, but it might be available sometime before Sunday that you guys will see what it is. Usually what they try to do is try to get some kind of good deal for people just to come into the store. But, you know, this ad was made a long time ago before the whole academic happened. So, or pandemic, yeah. But anyways, they do have Pantene cereal. Pantene cereal, you guys. Pantene shampoo for $3.99. There's going to be a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. You guys will end up paying $6.97. Plus, you'll get a $3 register reward, making them $3.97 or just $1.32 a piece. Now, the deal for the register rewards, you guys will not get those online. You have to do those in store only. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up if you guys need some of that. Now, they do have the nice bags on sale again, and it also includes the trash bags. So if you guys really need some trash bags, they're going to be $2.79. It's buy one, you get the 2 free. So they come out to be just 93 cents a piece if you guys want to head do that. Coffee, $4.99. Now, they do have Pepsi products and Coke products that buy 2 at $6.19, you get 1 free. So you guys are paying like $12.40 for 3 packs of pop. I would not do that deal, but you know what? Some people are desperate, and if you need it, go for it. Vitamins are buy one, get one free. Great time to stock up on vitamins, you guys. I know if you spend $20 or more on the Walgreens brand, you get a $3 register reward. So, just wanted to share with you guys on that in case, you know, people need to stay healthy, get those vitamins in. Now, I skipped ahead. Here is some more deals of the week. Now, they got the Crest toothpaste on sale for $2.99. It looks like there's going to be a 6 off of 4 digital coupon. You guys would end up paying $5.96 or just $1.49, and it looks like it's just for toothpaste. Do not do that deal unless there's a registry reward involved or something on that, but do not do that deal. $1.49 for toothpaste is a little ridiculous. But down below, we got the Colgate toothpaste, and those are going to be $2.99. We also just received some $2 off coupons that you guys can use. You'd pay $1.98 for 2 of them, but you guys would get a $2 register reward, making them absolutely free. And that counts for toothbrushes and toothpaste. I'm not sure if it's going to count for the twin toothbrushes, but hey, you never know with something like that. But then they got whole blends, 2 for $7, and it looks like there's going to be a digital coupon for 3 off of 2. And I think we're also getting paper coupons, but I am passing on the paper coupons. So you guys would end up paying $4. But then there's going to be a Walgreens coupon in the Walgreens booklet for $1 off each one. So you guys will get one each for $1. 7-Up products are 3 for $8.99. That's usually when I stock up on because I'm a root beer connoisseur. So that's the best time I buy pop unless I can find it cheaper. But I feel like Walgreens lately has been really cheap on soda. So $8.99, you guys buy... you get them basically for $2.99 a piece. Not the greatest deal, but I do think it is a pretty good deal. Water, 24 packs, 2 for $5. So it comes out to be $2.50 if you guys need to stock up on a case of water. Now they do have Starburst jelly beans, and I do think in the $3.15 retail may not, we did get a $1 off a 2 coupon. You guys would just get them for $4 or just $2 a piece. Chips, 2 for $4, $2 a piece. Nuts, $2 a piece. So if you guys need to stock up on some of that stuff, go for it. Now the Sun or Snuggle laundry detergent is buy one, get one free. I do not know the price off of that, so yeah. Now here's some food deals. The food deals repeat itself all the time. I feel like these are these prices like every other week or once every month or something like that. So unless you guys need some groceries, Walgreens can be a good place to get them, especially with everything getting all picked over at the grocery stores. Some of the stuff might be a good deal to get, so it just depends on what you guys need. I mean, they got Oreos for $2.99. I know they're $1.99 right now, but it's all up to you guys. Candy bars, 79 cents. Velveeta cheese, 2 for $6. Soup, 2 for $3. Pizza, buy one, get one 50% off. Now here we got some other drinks and food items to choose from depending on what you guys want to do. Now here is some cleaning products in case you guys need to stock up on that. Snuggle and all, there are $6.99. There's going to be a $2 off coupon making it $4.99, and I do think these are the bigger jars or bigger containers. Toilet paper, you guys, unless you absolutely need it, you can go for it, but you know, these are not the greatest deals to even stock up on toilet paper, and I don't need any. I have plenty of toilet paper. Dawn soap is 99 cents along with some other items. Dryer sheets, those are 99 cents. I think that's an all month thing, so if you guys need to go ahead and do that. Even if you guys are like hurting for hand sanitizer and hand soap, you got dish soap. Just wash some dishes and you guys will be squeaky clean. I wash my dishes at least a couple times a day. Lysol, have fun finding that, but it's buy one, get one free. We got candles, 4 for $20, makes them $5 a piece. Batteries are sometimes a good thing to stock up on in case you guys, you know, something could happen. But they are buy one, get one free. If you guys need to stock up, it looks like just for AA or AAA, and it counts from 8 to 24 pack. I might have to check that out just in case, even though we stock up on batteries a lot. That's one thing my husband stocks up on is batteries. And then now we're getting into the Easter stuff. Now, it's really hard to say if we'll even have Easter this year. The way things are going, we don't know what's in for us. It could be all cleared up in 2 weeks. It's really hard to say. But if you need to have some Easter stuff or, you know, some stuff for the kids to look forward to while you guys are at home, they do have some stuff for you guys. They do have the Cadbury eggs and the Reese's chocolate eggs. They're 4 for $3. There is a coupon for $1 off of 4 Walgreens coupons. You guys would just get them for 50 cents a piece, $2 for 4 of them. In case. There is some activities, things they got buy one, get one 50% off. Now we're going, this is a deal that not everybody has, but it looks like you guys will get a $5 gift card if you buy 2 gift cards of either the GameStop or Regal Cinemas. I wouldn't do that deal. Not at all. And that, unless you guys really shop, unless you guys really shop at GameStop, go for it. Regal, I don't have any around me, but please keep in mind this is a regional, usually a regional deal. So, makeup is still buy 2, get the 3rd one free. Lotions, buy one, get one 50% off. Nothing really popping out. L'Oreal is 2 for $8. I don't think we have any coupons. If there is, I'm drawing a complete blank. Olay and Old Spice are 2 for $12. It looks like you'll get a $5 registry reward when you buy 4. I wouldn't do it unless you guys have some, you know, coupons. Yardley, 69 cents for bar soap if you guys need to stock up on soap. Here they got, you know, Secret and Old Spice 2 for $10. You get a $5 registry reward when you buy 4. I don't think, unless there's digital coupons. Now, Dove and Degree, I do think we got some coupons for that. Sorry. but I can't remember. I know X. Okay, X, there is a coupon for, those are buy one, get one 50% off. We did receive some buy one, get one free coupons, and then when you guys buy 3, you guys will get 3,000 points. So there could be a pretty okay deal with that, maybe, possibly. Gillette, if you spend $20 or more, you get $10 in points. So that's a deal where you cannot pay with points. Just some other things. Another thing to think about if you guys are new to coupon is make sure you guys stock up on personal care products. You know, you always need that stuff just in case. But here is the Walgreens thing I was telling you about. You spend 20 of Walgreens brand, you'll get a $3 register reward. And then, yeah, it says it right here on the last page. So that is the Walgreens ad preview. I'm going to try to share with you guys as many deals as I can. Even if I have to go in the store with a face mask, gloves, everything, I want to go in there just to help you guys out. So let me know what you guys think. I know a lot of you guys are like, stay home, but everybody is in a different situation. Some people are new to couponing and don't have as much stuff as what we've been doing for years. So not trying to like be mean about it, but I just really want to help you guys out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in many videos later on this week. I have some other videos that I am working on also. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.